Well, guys, look at it again. I got Homer Simpson from the Vintage stock. Now for another unboxing video. It could be anything that I had to do. Okay. I'll just move this out of the box. Just look at this. Homer Simpson with a box of donuts and a piece of donut right there. I'll go get some scissors and cut these out. And here's Homer Simpson, the donut, and the box loaded with donuts. And his orange versus his dough. Yep, for donuts. And on the box, it also has 4 of the accessories with Bart, Otto, that's one I got, and Groundskeeper Willie. So, yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you all for watching.